probably have seen videos and images like this showing a lot of waste on the ocean and landfills, and experts say that such dumping is killing the ocean and the earth at large, and they say we should recycle. So today, that's what we're going to do. We're going to recycle and generate electricity at the same time. We're going to be making a wind vane generator, but instead of using PVC pipe and all of that, we're going to be using aluminum cans. We're going to cut these cans into two because the part we're interested in is the lower part. We're going to cut it down to look like little cups so they will be able to grip the matter that will be blown at it. I said matter because this setup will support both liquid and air. Now I'm going to show you with a time lapse cutting the rest of the cans that we need. Next, we will get a flat PVC pipe, make measurements on it and cut it out. Its dimensions are 1 cm by 10 cm. After cutting the pipe and the cans, we're going to use super glue to attach the pipe to the cut out cans like so. Now, if you love videos and experiments like this, please kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel as we are heading to 1K subscribers very soon. Thanks. When you are done attaching the pipe and the cans together, the next thing I will do is to get a tiny pulley that fits on the shaft of a small DC motor. Get a circle pipe. Locate the center of the pipe and put a little glue on it. After that, you take the little pulley and place it on the glue that is on the pipe and make sure it is at the center, because it will be bad if it's even offset by the slightest millimeter. Once you've made sure that they are set and tight, put them into a 2 cm PVC pipe. Try and make them to be in the middle of the pipe so that it will balance the weight. It did give me a little trouble because I went on to place a circle pipe into the 2 cm pipe when the glue hadn't set. But after a lot of wiggling, I had it in place finally. Now the next thing to do is to attach the pipe that is glued to the cutout cans onto the PVC pipe that carries the pulley. We will call this the center pipe. Glue the can by the side of the center pipe so that it will give the glue a lot of more room to be attached on the larger surface area, and that will help hold the PVC pipe much better. After you put the first one in place, put the second one in the same orientation beside the center pipe and make the ends of that pipe to touch the first one. This will allow the second pipe to have a much more area to glue on. Add some glue on it and hold it in place to set. Repeat this for the other two. Once it's done, you will notice that the first one didn't touch the last one. So what I did is remove the first one and reattach it properly so that it touches all the places it's supposed to touch. Get your DC motor that will act as your generator. Attach it to the pulley But before we test this setup, we need a structure that will hold the generator, and in this case it is this PVC. I heated the end so that it can accommodate the motor freely. Make a hole on the pipe where you will take out the wires. After that, I got a pair of alligator clips. First, I put the wires into the pipe and use some tweezers to pry out the wires through the hole that I made on the pipe. When they are both out, I attached the clips on the ends of the DC motor and put them through the pipe. It was a tight fit, so I didn't need to add a glue on it so that it will enable me to make adjustments. Then I added the wind vane on the motor and tested it by blowing on it with my mouth. It really took a lot of breath out of me and made me dizzy. Now I got my multimeter, connected both leads together and gave it another blow to see how it performs. Even though it didn't really give me much voltage, but we can say that it works. So now I got the stand of a table fan, put the generator on it and tighten it to hold it in place. You don't get much wind around here, but it's interesting to see that the little we do get was able to generate something, little or better than nothing. Now I took it to a tap to try another way by using water that will come from the tap. I turned on the tap, the generator saddled on. As I increase the water, the pressure pushes the vanes much harder, creating more speed and therefore more output. As I was running these tests, I noticed that these pipes were shaking and that might lead to damage. So that has given more room for improvements. But for now, like the video if you found it interesting, subscribe to the channel, and come back next time because I have more interesting videos lined up for you. You can check out my other videos and don't forget, remember to recycle.